There's this game I found off of Roblox that's called Doorbell, and basically the game is just about you and this. I don't know. Wait a minute. Oh, I can open the door. Hold on. Why can I not open the door? I can't even open the window either. I'm just gonna walk away with my banana. I walk a lonely road, the only one that I have ever known. Okay, where did I go? Please come back. Oh, there we go. There we go. There I am. Wait, do you think I can, like, get off the map? Oh my gosh, okay. Yep, it was definitely possible to jump off the map, that's for sure. Oh, there I am, yay! There. Oh my god, okay. Look at this banana I just spawned out of nowhere. Isn't that so cool? I didn't even peel it, oh, okay. So delicious. The banana is literally the exact same size as my torso, probably even bigger than it. So, what did I think of this experience? It was a very good game. I definitely would recommend playing, but I still can't open the door.